Here's what I eat in a day as a mom in her 40s who's lost 70 pounds and been maintaining it for years. Don't mind Nacho, he wouldn't stop licking the oil off my legs. So this morning I decided to pull one of the red melons out of my melon patch. We grow several varieties of melons. They're so good. Then I checked on things in the orchard. We have apples that are coming along nicely, and we also have some pumpkins that are starting to ripen in the pumpkin patch. Then I got my laundry down before the thunderstorm came in, and I got it down just in time. Then for a little mid-morning snack, I had peaches with cinnamon and a little bit of maple syrup. Peach season in Colorado is my favorite. Then for lunch, I made some of these raw tostadas. They're so good. I had a few of those, and then I had some of this like Asian style salad for lunch. And then a little bit later in the afternoon, I pulled down some ripe plums from one of our plum trees and snacked on those beauties. And then for dinner, I made the cauliflower falafel wraps from my book, Plantifully Simple. If you are curious, you can get that in stores. It's linked in my bio. And then for dessert, I had some strawberries from our garden with some almond milk whipped cream and a little bit of chocolate.